In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to swap faces in Photoshop easily. Let's get started. Unlock the background layer by clicking the lock icon. Go to File menu, choose Open, and open the face image you want to use. Zoom in, select the lasso tool, and make a rough selection around the face. Press Ctrl and J to copy the selected face area to a new layer. Now drag the face layer onto the subject image. Resize it by dragging the corners. Then, temporarily lower the face layer's opacity so you can see through it and align the eyes, nose, and mouth properly with the subject image. Once positioned, set opacity back to 100%. Right-click the face layer thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select menu, Modify, choose Contract. Set it to 4 pixels and click OK. Select the subject layer, press Delete, then press Ctrl and D to deselect. Now hold Ctrl and select both layers. Go to Edit menu and select Auto Blend Layers. Choose Stack Images. Click OK. And that's it, your face swap is done. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.